Good day, my friends. In this video, I will show you how to add Replit project to GitHub. So firstly, this is pretty simple, guys. Firstly, of course, open up the website, and then from the home screen, make sure that, of course, you're logged in, and then just choose your app, right? You can just go to apps right over here and choose it from here, or you can just select from recent. Let me just select this Python project that I've created. And now, how do you do this? So we have this little search icon. This will allow us to easily find what we need. And in here, you just type in Git. This is going to be the tool that will allow us to connect to GitHub. You just initialize the Git repository, and then you just go ahead and sign into GitHub right over here. Sign in. In here, just provide your credentials, of course, email and password. Okay, and now authorize Replit through GitHub. Authorize. All right, it's connected successfully. And now you can just go ahead and connect your, as you can see, GitHub easily. So you can go once again, open up a new tab, type in Git, bam, and in here you can just go ahead and connect. And that's pretty much it for this one, guys. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon.